Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Grok CLI on Ubuntu operating system. So let's open the terminal. So in my system, npm must be installed and Python JDK that's optional. So this here, first let's increase the size. Thereafter here, if I write node minus v, so 22 that install npm-v this version that install. So with the help of this npm that I'm going to install their Grok CLI. So let's write their npm install -g at the rate web dev today. Then backslash grok hyphen CLI. So press enter. Now you can see some download process. So here you can see npm install, so some download process is going on. Okay, and after that will start doing the installation of Grok CLI. Now you can see this here 20 or 243 package that's added in 2 minutes. Let's use the clear command. Now if I write displace grok ---- version, so here you can see 0.21 that install. Now if I write grok -h, so this all helping command that's come here. Version, model, this you can or to here. Now if I write displace grok, so here to continue you need to press here, you need to give the API key. So when I press enter, so here this all that's gone. So after giving the API key, you can start using the Grok CLI on this Ubuntu operating system. So this is how we can do here installation of Grok CLI on Ubuntu. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.